Group Captain Randhir Singh, who wrote under the pen name of Kunwar Viyogi, is the only air warrior in the history of the Air Force and Sahitya Academy to be bestowed with the most prestigious national literary honour in the year 1980. He wrote prolifically in English and Urdu, but his best works are in Dogri. Ghar was his first published book, a long Dogri poem released at the young age of 40. He was serving in the Air Force at the time as a squadron leader with the 12th Squadron in Agra. Since then, he has won accolades and respect from academic and literary peers. He was an experimentalist poet and had also written sonnets, a first in Dogri literature, and claimed to be the only writer in the language to have the largest body of work with 200 published and 600 unpublished sonnets. This earned him the title Father of Dogri Sonnets. He is compared to greats of world literature like Shakespeare, Ghalib, Umar Khayyam for his style, thoughts and poetic prowess. Late Group Captain Randhir Singh Jamwal joined the Indian Air Force as a navigator in 1962. He was married to Prem Jamwal, an artist and niece of Mahavir Chakra awardee Brigadier Rajinder Singh,
the savior of Kashmir.
Having successfully served in various transport squadrons, in 1990 Jamwal took premature retirement upon the untimely demise of his wife. At the time, he was serving as the TAC commander at Jodhpur. Upon retirement, he worked as an editor at Kashmir Times, an English daily newspaper in Jammu, while also working for the development of Dogri literature. He has 3 daughters, Poonam, Rashmi and Shalu, who along with their families have come together to set up the Kunwar Viyogi Memorial Trust to take his work and thoughts far and wide. The first step was to translate his work from Dogri to Hindi.
On this occasion of Air Force Week, the launch of the Hindi translation of his greatest work by the Air Chief Marshal of his alma mater, the Indian Air Force, is a befitting tribute.
We take a moment to share selected couplets from Ghar and the views of his peers on the gentleman, officer and the artist.
स्वर्गीय कुंवर वियोगी डोगरी के ऐसे प्रतिभाशाली कवि थे जिन्होंने अपनी कविता के माध्यम से घर को मूर्तिमान किया। इस पुस्तक में कुंवर वियोगी साहब ने घर के विभिन्न रूपों को प्रतिबिंबित किया है और मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी ज़रूरत जो होती है यानी घर, उस घर को अलग अलग रूपों में उन्होंने व्याख्यायित किया हुआ है। इस पुस्तक में जो विचार तत्व है और जो बात कहने का अंदाज़ है वह भी बहुत ही बढ़िया है। तो मेरा हिंदी पाठकों से अनुरोध है कि अगर वो डोगरी कविता की नई वानगी देखना चाहते हैं तो उनकी इस पुस्तक यानी घर कृति के हिंदी अनुवाद का रसास्वादन अवश्य करें।
कुड़ी ओ पिंड बगूने दी मूँह लगनी ते चंचल ओदे शैल शलैपे ऊपर पई सी मेरी नज़र उसी दिखी है दिल खुश हुंदा रखना उसकी कोल जिच्चर जीवन उच्चर साड़ी प्रीत गए होनी कर।
कुड़ी वो गांव बगूने की रूपवती चंचल उसके रूप अनूप पे जाकर अटकी मेरी नजर देख के उसको दिल खिल उठता रखूं उसको पास जब तक जीवन तब तक होगी प्रीत हमारा घर।
लो ओंदेगे पंख पखेरू मेहनत कश चाकर जीने गितै सोसो हीले करदे ए दिन पर तरकालें जिसलै हुंदे उत्ते थके मांदे उसलै मांद मसाने ताई वापस आउंदे घर।
दिन चढ़ते ही पंख पखेरू मेहनत कश चाकर जीने को संघर्ष है करते कितने ये दिन भर। सांझ ढले जब हो जाते हैं थक कर चकनाचूर थकन मिटाने दिन भर की वे वापस आते घर।
Wing Commander and Mrs. Randhir when we were posted together in Agra. And if you ask me personally, they were a wonderful couple. I still remember Randhir's smiling face. I can never forget his big green eyes. They were big and bright and light colored.
Myself and Randhir, we were together in 12th Squadron. Our main job was flying, and most of the time whenever we were flying, we used to relax, in the room, play chess or carrom board. But we always found Randhir with his books, always making notes, and typical of him, there always used to be a pencil, stuck at his ear, so that he should not run short of writing material whenever he wanted. Very learned person, because his effort, his way of thinking, way of organizing was so good, so dependable. Many times it happens that at late night, our commanding also will give me a ring. I say, Carol, just arrange a trip tomorrow. We are going early in the morning, 6 o'clock at takeoff. So please detail your navigator. So all I had to do just go to Randhi and tell Randhi, I want my navigator to be detailed tomorrow morning. He said, no problem, sir. With great confidence, I could relax, come. And next morning I will come and see. I don't see Randhir anywhere. I say, where is Randhir? So I was told, sir, here, go on that trip. So you see, what he did, instead of running around, he himself would go and save me all the trouble, and he is very, very dependable.
It's really my great fortune that I am able to speak something about our great beloved friend, Group Captain Randhir Singh. He was definitely a unique personality. I knew him to be an avid reader. He used to come again and again with various sayings of big people, some of the teachings of management gurus. And I was surprised as to how come he gets time when we are so busy in our Air Force lives. Randhir Singh was a fabulous writer. All the spare time he used to be writing poetries. He used to have a big register with him, a lot of pencils, and continue scribbling. He told me once, it will not be surprising that if Randhir had written more sonnets than Shakespeare himself. We are really proud that a serving Air Force officer, defense officer, is able to write up that level. I don't think his writing in English has been known or appreciated or printed, but I wish somebody does that, and it will be really wonderful if that collection is available. I have fabulous regards for him, and I wish wherever he is with the God, enjoying, and ever he comes back to this earth, I like to be his friend again.
शाली मार ते चश्मा शाही झरने दी चरचर पहलू पहल में ओठे चुम्मे तेरे श्रीनगर डला दे अंदर एक शिकारा बैठे मैं ते तू के कीता हा असे मिथे है कैसे कैसे कर।
शालीमार और चश्मा शाही झरनों की झरझर पहली बार जो होंठ चूमे तेरे श्रीनगर डल के भीतर एक शिकारा बैठे मैं और तू क्या कर बैठे हमने चाहे कैसे कैसे घर।
Randhir Singh Jamwal was known as Kunwar Viyogi in literary circles. The thing that I remember very distinctly is that he was a very handsome person. Kunwar Viyogi fell in love with literature at a very early age. He was mesmerized by the beauty and by the magic of the written word. And he remained under that spell throughout his life. Perhaps he was one of those literateurs of Dogri who had read almost everything that was available from all over the world. And therefore, he was very keen observer of human life, and he was very keen observer of human behavior. I'll recite a stanza from his long poem Ghar. First, I'll recite in Dogri to give a flavor of Dogri language, and then I'll read the English translation. ना मी भांदे पौंड ते रूबल ना भांदे डॉलर ना गुलामी करनी कुसै दी मनना नहीं आर्डर मैं डुग्गर दा बासी भुखा पाना भावें रोगा देश बेचिए कदें भी अपना नहीं बनाना कर। I do not feel pulled by pound, ruble or dollar. I do not serve any, nor do I take an order. I am a Dogra, and starve me if you will. I would never sell my country to build my home.